Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, have you ever wondered how Ansible works? Many of you know it's a configuration management tool, but there is always a confusion between what is an inventory, what is a playbook, all that. I'll explain today in a funny way with movies. Imagine Ansible as a movie director running an entire film set. So Ansible as a movie director automate like a filmmaker. This presentation explores how Ansible simplifies IT automation using a movie production analogy to make concepts more relatable and engaging. Because it will be more difficult if you are not imagining some example. So what is Ansible? Ansible is an open source automation tool that helps you to manage servers, you can deploy applications and automate the tasks. Think of it like behind the scenes, the director for your IT operations. Ansible is a powerful IT automation tool that simplifies management of complex systems. It allows you to automate tasks across different servers with ease, making your infrastructure more efficient and reliable. So mainly Ansible, we can say, for example, you have 10 servers on which you want to install Java. You can't go and log into each machine and install. Even you can do by using the shell script. Imagine you have 100 or 500 servers and you want to do multiple tasks. Then Ansible is the right tool where you can install, configure, change, update anything. It will make the DevOps life easier. Director as control node. So imagine the movie director as a control node. So there will be always a master and a control node. Master, we can call it as a control node who controls in a set, in a movie set. It will always be a movie director. So imagine the director as a control node. The movie director is in charge like Ansible's control node. They don't act or they don't do the makeup, but they guide you everything. The same way, director acts as a control node. In the world of movie production, the director is the central authority who commands the entire production team. Similarly, in Ansible, the control node orchestrates the servers, ensuring that every component works together seamlessly for a successful outcome. So, movie director, imagine movie director as a control node. Actors and crew, you can imagine as a managed nodes, which is the slave node, we can say. Whatever the director says, the actors and the crew listens to them. So the director gives commands to the cast and crew, just like Ansible gives instructions to your servers. Each one does their job based on the director's cues, which is whatever the director says, they'll follow that. Role definition: managed nodes are like actors and crew fulfilling their roles to execute the director's vision effectively. Coordination: just as film crew collaborates, managed nodes work together to ensure smooth operation across the IT environment. Execution: each instruction given by the control node is executed with precision, ensuring that the production runs seamlessly and efficiently. So imagine Playbook like a script where the movie dialogues, everything will be written in the script. So the playbook is your movie script. It tells the cast what scenes to do, when to enter, what to say. In Ansible, this is a YAML file, YAML file with tasks for your servers. A playbook in Ansible is like a detailed script for a movie scene. It outlines precise tasks to be executed, ensuring that every element of the production runs smoothly. Each scene requires careful planning to bring the vision to life. Casting sheet, which we can call it as a inventory file in Ansible. Just like a casting sheet lists all the actors and their roles, Ansible's inventory files lists your servers and groups them. In Ansible, the inventory file acts like casting sheet detailing all the servers and devices involved in the production. This essential document ensures that each node plays its part effectively in the automation process. Scene instructions are like tasks and modules. Each part of the script, a scene, a camera movement, a line, which is all that comes under a task. Ansible breaks automation into these steps using the modules. So, scene instructions are like tasks and the modules. In a movie production, scene instructions dictate what actions occur, much like tasks and modules in Ansible. Each task is a specific step that tells the system what to execute, when to execute, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. So the director's headset is like SSH. The director doesn't shout. They use a headset to communicate quietly. Ansible does the same using SSH to connect and send instructions. So we always do passwordless authentication in Ansible. What is passwordless authentication means? There is a, for example, there is a master node and there is a slave node, which we call it as a managed node. So the control node, for example, if you want to SSH, whenever you do SSH, usually it will prompt for the password. But in Ansible, you need to do the setup where it will work without a password. If you directly give SSH space the IP address, it should directly log in. So that way it will communicate easily. So the same way here it is compared with director's headset because the director doesn't shout, they use the headset. The director uses a headset to communicate clearly with the cast, much like SSH allows a user to interact with the server securely. This essential channel ensures that instructions are conveyed accurately and efficiently during production, maintaining the flow of operations seamlessly. Idempotence, which is consistent performances in Ansible. Idempotence in Ansible ensures that every operation is executed reliably and predictably, just like a skilled director aims for consistency in every scene. Ansible guarantees that repeated commands yield the same results without unintended side effects. So, a great director ensures every scene is done the same way, even on the retakes. Even if there is a retake, they should do the same way. Ansible does this too. Every time you run a playbook, it gets the same result. There won't be any surprises. For example, if you run one command first time, it will give one result. Second time, will it give another type of results in Ansible? There is no scope for that. So you can try Ansible today. Maybe tomorrow I will upload hands-on session as well. You can please subscribe to my channel. The same way with many analogies, I'll explain all the DevOps and MLOps concepts. Always think about any topic managed with an analogy. It will be easy. You can access the basic documentation of Ansible and you can start working. Tomorrow I'll upload a hands-on video. Please like, subscribe, and let me know how would you like Ansible to automate in your tech life. So there will be more automation and let's wrap it up. Thanks for watching. Bye.